Hello students, today we are going to discuss prism. Okay, some of us think that this is a prism, but this is wrong. It is only the principal section of a prism that is used to describe dispersion. Okay, now we come to the proper definition of a prism. In mathematics, a three-dimensional shape that is made up of two identical parallel ends supported by many flat faces is known as prism. Okay, here we have shown a triangular prism. Okay, here the ends are rectangles, so we can call it a rectangular prism. Okay, in physics, a prism is a homogeneous transparent medium bounded by two plane surfaces inclined to each other at an angle. This angle is called angle of prism or refracting angle. The surfaces through which refraction is going to occur are called refracting surfaces, and the line joining both surfaces is called refracting edge. Here we have shown a principal section of a prism. A ray of light incidents on it, so this will be incident light ray. This is the light ray which gets refracted, so this is called refracted ray, and this part is emerging from the prism, so this one is called emergent ray. Okay, this angle of incidence is known as angle of incidence, and this angle is known as angle of emergence. Okay, if we talk about this angle, this is the angle which tells us that how much emergent ray is deviated from incident ray, like this. So this angle will provide us the angle by which the emergent ray is deviated from incident ray. So this angle is known as angle of deviation. So the PE part is incident ray, EF part is refracted ray, FS part emergent ray. Okay, this one angle between refracting surfaces, this is angle of prism or refracting angle. Okay, so angle A is angle of prism, I1 angle of incidence, I2 angle of emergence, and this one delta, this is the angle of deviation. Here we have made a graph between angle of deviation and angle of incidence. Okay, angle of deviation depends upon angle of incidence, refracting angle of prism, and material of prism. The graph shows that before a certain value of angle of deviation, the angle of deviation is decreasing, and after that angle of deviation is increasing with respect to increase of angle of incidence. Okay, this value of angle of deviation is known as minimum angle of deviation. Okay, and it is used when we are going to find out the refractive index of material of prism by using this formula, n equal to sin A plus delta m by 2 upon sin A by 2. Now we will discuss recombination of spectrum. Suppose we have two prisms that are identical and we place them like this, and a white light incident on first prism. It suffers dispersion, and when these two light rays incident on the second prism, they recombine and results in the formation of white light. This is called recombination of spectrum.